Hey, Naja, Naja. 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 Hey.
Welcome back to my channel. Yes, yes.
We are going to get it in. Hello, my go-getters. Hello, my fam. Hello, my subscribers and my viewers. This is how G.I.T. Get with Naja makes her salad. I have yet to see somebody make a salad video, so hey, it is what it is. And since we're in the C19, we have to be so careful how we get our fruits and vegetables. And I don't like to get loose fruits and vegetables. Some I will. The only thing I will get, like, an onion, because it has layers, and I still clean it, my onion. And for my salad, we're only going to use 1/2 of the red onion, which is my favorite. Okay. My bell peppers, I normally get it in a bag. This has 4 bell peppers. I already used one, which was another red one. So I'm going to use a little bit of either one of these. I'll see. My carrots, my shredded carrots that come in the bag. My tomatoes, that's 3 in the bag. My romaine heart lettuce. I'm gonna chop these up. They're gonna be delicious, okay? And they're in the bag. They're gonna clean them and prep them and cut them up, but as long as they're in the bag. Okay, my croutons, I got my cucumbers. Yeah, I don't really like to get the loose ones, but cucumbers, they only come loose. This is my croutons, and I'll show you what I do with this. It's amazing. People don't like to eat croutons because croutons are hard, big, and they're very hard.
I would like one.
You like one too?
Yeah.
This is delicious though.
Oh.
And you ate it anyway.
You want to have another one?
There you go. I'll put it in your places. got my seasoned croutons. And remember I showed you how big they was. And we're going to get them down into a crumbs. We want them to be crumbs. So what you want to do, because it tastes so good on top of your salad, get all the air out of the bag as possible. So I kind of lay it down like that and then close it. And then I take my hammer. They're starting already? Okay, a powder form. You'll see it in my video. When I had my salad video, I'll have it in the bowl so you can see it. Yeah, well, excuse me, you'll see it. So, with that being said, this is our croutons. We have our salad. Get you a nice big old salad bowl like this. And your salad is ready. It's ready. Anytime you get hungry, just go in there, scoop you out some salad. It's already prepared. You don't have to go cut nothing up. And this will last you for at least 4 to 5 days in here. The only thing is about this is, like any kind of lettuce, except for iceberg lettuce, I wouldn't. It's green leaf lettuce, romaine lettuce. You can use that. It keeps well. Spinach, you just have to add it as you go and keep it in the bag, original bag, because it sweats. These are my salad dressings. I like French, Italian, chunky blue cheese, my classic Catalina, and my wishbone chunky blue cheese. I like Ken's also, but they didn't have my flavor and that was out. So with that being said, once again, I'm signing out. Peace. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Get it together with Naudra.